Let's learn English through real life and easy stories. Today, we asked some people, what's the best thing you've ever spent money on? Coffee maker. I can't live without coffee. Yes, I mean it. I have a big problem with staying awake. It started with just a cup here and there on the way to work, but soon it became a daily habit. I was stopping by coffee shops every single day. The problem was that I had to spend so much money on coffee every morning. The cost added up quickly, and I was shocked at how much I was spending. It wasn't just about the price. I wanted to enjoy that rich, smooth coffee every day, but buying it outside every morning wasn't practical. One day, I was at the supermarket, and I saw a coffee maker on sale. The price seemed reasonable, so I thought, why not give it a try? I didn't expect much, honestly. I just hoped it would give me the same boring taste as the coffee shop. The first morning I used it, I was amazed. The smell of fresh coffee filled the room. I poured the first cup and took a sip. The coffee was rich, smooth, and full of flavor. It was just perfect. It was neither plain nor boring. In fact, it did taste like one of the best coffees I had ever had. It felt like a small victory. It had been such a long time since I last bought something that actually worked. From that moment, I knew I had made the best investment. I can now enjoy delicious coffee every morning without leaving home. The best part? I can make different types of coffee, just how I like. Espresso, latte, cappuccino, whatever I feel like that day. Oh, they also sell different flavors as well. I started experimenting with different beans and flavors. Some days I would add a little cinnamon, and other times I would try a vanilla-flavored syrup. It was fun, and I enjoyed every cup. Now, I can't imagine my mornings without my coffee maker. It's become part of my daily routine, and it's saved me so much money. So if you are also a big coffee fan, I highly recommend this. Sometimes making small investments for your daily routine can make a big difference. Trust me, it's worth it. Noise-canceling headphones. So, I was traveling a lot for work, and honestly, I was tired of the noise on flights. You know, the loud engines, chatting passengers, and crying babies. Ugh, it was driving me crazy. One day, while I was scrolling through a shopping app, I saw some noise-canceling headphones on sale. The price seemed okay, so I bought them without much thought. I didn't expect them to be that amazing, but wow, they completely changed my flying experience. The first time I used them, I was shocked. As soon as I turned them on, the noise disappeared, like completely. It was like stepping into a different world. My God, is this magic? The hum of the airplane, the voices around me, it all just faded away. I could hear only the music I was listening to, and it felt like peace. After that trip, I started using them on every flight. They quickly became my most useful travel item. I could sleep better, read my book in peace, or watch movies without distractions. The headphones truly made a difference. But here's the thing, I don't use them just on flights. I realized they were great for other situations too. Whenever I was studying in a noisy cafe, I'd put them on. It blocked out everything and helped me concentrate. At home, when I needed some quiet time, I'd wear them while listening to music. They made relaxing at home so much more peaceful. I've had these headphones for over a year now, and I use them almost every day. I never leave home without them. They've made my life so much easier and more enjoyable. So, if you travel a lot or just need some quiet in your life, I think you should invest on a good pair of noise-canceling headphones. They change life, believe me. Air purifier. I've always had terrible allergies, especially during certain seasons. Pollen in the air, dust, even pet dander. It all made life so uncomfortable. I would wake up with a stuffy nose, watery eyes, and a headache almost every day. It was getting to the point where I dreaded the changing seasons. So, that time, I was at a store, and I saw an air purifier on sale. I didn't think much of it at first. I mean, I had read on Facebook that these things help with allergies. But honestly, I did not think anything could help me at that point. Somehow, That day, I stopped to ask the shop assistant more about it. He also told me that people were raving about how much it helped with allergies and air quality. So I thought, why not try it? It's worth a shot. I bought the air purifier and brought it home, hoping it would make a difference. I placed it in my bedroom, where I spent most of my time. The first time I turned it on, I was surprised at how quiet it was. It didn't make that much noise at all, just a soft hum in the background. I let it run through the night, not expecting much. The next morning, I woke up feeling different. For the first time in ages, I didn't have a stuffy nose. I didn't wake up sneezing or coughing. I was a little shocked, to be honest. Could it really be that simple? I continued using the air purifier every day, and it only got better. My allergies were under control, and I felt much better overall. I realized how much dust and allergens had been floating around in my home without me even noticing. After a few weeks, I noticed I wasn't feeling tired and sluggish anymore. I could breathe easily, sleep better, and even exercise without feeling out of breath. It wasn't just the allergies. It was the overall improvement in the air quality that helped me feel healthier. I could truly feel the difference in every breath I took. Now, I can't imagine living without the air purifier. It's not just a product, it's part of my daily routine now. I even got one for my living room to improve the air in the rest of the house. I should totally have bought it earlier. This is a game changer for my health. Comfortable running shoes. I've always loved running. I started running back in college, jogging around campus when I had free time. Then, after graduating, I continued running to stay fit. Even when I started working, I always joked with my friends that I spent more money on running shoes than on makeup. Come to think of it, I had to spend more because I only bought cheap shoes. At that time, I was still a student, so I didn't want to spend too much money on anything. For shoes, I would buy cheaper options, hoping they would work. But they never lasted long. I had to buy a new one in just a few months. Not to mention that after a few runs, the soles would wear out, and the shoes would start to feel uncomfortable. It took a pretty long time for me to realize that the cheap shoes were actually causing me more pain. Anyway, I am off track. One day, while reading some fitness articles, I saw a review for a pair of running shoes. They were highly recommended by other runners and fitness enthusiasts. I bought the shoes and couldn't wait to try them out. When they arrived, I was impressed by how light they felt. I slipped them on and they fit perfectly, hugging my feet in all the right places. The material was soft but supportive, and the soles felt like they were made for running. I was excited to take them for a test run, and let me tell you, that first run was a game changer. I had never felt so comfortable while running before. The shoes gave me great support, and my feet didn't hurt at all. I was able to run longer without feeling any discomfort. Over the next few weeks, I used them for all my runs. I noticed I wasn't getting the usual aches in my knees or shins. The shoes really helped me reduce my risk of injury. They felt like they were designed just for me. And the best part? It has been a year, and the shoes are still in great shape. I can run faster and longer without worrying about breaking the shoes. I can really feel the difference, and it has made my fitness journey so much better. If you're serious about running or any sport, invest in good quality gear. Trust me, it's worth it. Spending a bit more on the right shoes can make all the difference for your body and performance. Don't let cheap gear hold you back from reaching your potential. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your answer to the question as well. What's the best thing you've ever spent money on? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.